perfect smile makes this almost worthwhile. Twist and turn, making traps just to cover your back. You'll do for me, my lonely heart. Carry on.
Want to get some gaff on that, mate?
Maybe. That wasn't part of the song. Should we, Young film, you're not there yet. It's all quiet on the set. Bright lights, the camera shy. One more cut and you'll cry. You'll do for me, my lonely heart. Homeless, yeah, you got no home, but you made it this far on your own. Now you're here, you're bored to tears, counting the days of the year. You'll do for me, my lonely heart. Big night, you're all dressed up, quietly cursing your luck. You always wanted to be wanted this way. Now you're all on your own, don't complain. 'Cause you'll do for me, my lonely heart. 'Cause you'll do for me, my lonely heart. And you'll never leave, so don't you stop. She'll do for me, my lonely heart. Cheers, diolch. Can tell by my smile. You can tell by my smile. You can tell by my smile I've been drinking for a while. I feel strong, I feel tall. I feel strong, I feel tall. I feel strong, I feel tall. I fear nothing at all. Hear your voice from his bed. Hear your voice from his bed. Hear your voice from his bed and the words you said. I'm just being me. I can only be me. I can only be free if you can't hear me. can see in the dark. I can see in the dark. I am coming apart. When I hear your feet fall, when I hear your feet fall, when I hear your feet fall, I'm not sad after all. Cheers, diolch. We're called Threatmantics. We're not really used to this sort of thing, being able to see an audience, having an audience, telling jokes.
It's not your thing, Edwin.
Am I ready for this? We're going to play a couple of Welsh songs now. Cyfa gyda'r yn ffyddlon cariad sy'n tagu fel moddion cariad sy'n tagu fel moddion Snildio fel rosyn defnydd glid o'r gwenwyn cariad sy'n torri fel esgyn cariad sy'n torri fel esgyn cariad sy'n cysgu fel blodyn. Cariad sy'n cysgu fel blodyn. This next song's for Gerald. Where's Gerald gone? He's not even here.
He's actually on a shift working, but...
Well, we might have to leave this one for later then. Hang on. Should we do a man?
Yeah.
Okay. Because we don't have enough songs for places like this. Not that we do swear, we don't do any swear, but we're normally a lot louder. We've decided to chuck in a couple of covers. The first one is a country and western number that we don't normally do. What? Sorry. Am I mumbling? No.
Oh, there is!
Oh, should we? Guys, just do it. Held it all in words, Lord knows I've tried. It's an awful awakening in a country boy's life, to look in the mirror in total surprise. The hair on your shoulders, the age in your eyes. Amanda, light of my life, fate should have made you a gentleman's wife. Amanda, light of my life, fate should have made you a gentleman's wife. Measure people don't understand the pleasures of life in a hillbilly band. Got my first guitar when I was 14. Now I'm proud and 30, still wearing jeans. Light of my life, fate should have made you a gentleman's wife. Amanda, light of my life, fate should have made you a gentleman's wife. Amanda, light of my life, fate should have made you a gentleman's wife. Amanda, light of my life, fate should have made you a gentleman's wife. Cheers, diolch. gone again. It's gone again. He's technically. Yeah, because Gerald's gone again, we're going to go for another cover that I'm not as sure of the words for, but I'll give it a go.
There's a reason for us doing
it being St. Patrick's Day and all that.
So here's an Irish song by...
No, it's not. It's an Irish song by a Scotsman about Sunderland. My love by the gasworks wall, dreamed the dream by the old canal, kissed my girl by the factory wall, dirty old town, dirty old town. Clouds are drifting across the moon, clouds prowling on their beat. Spring's a girl from the streets at night. Dirty old town, dirty old town. The sign run from the docks, saw a train set the night on fire, smelled the spring on the smoky wind. Dirty old town, dirty old town. Make me a big sharp axe, shining steel, tempered in the fire, chop you down like an old bent tree. Dirty old town, dirty old town. By the gasworks wall, dreamed the dream by the old canal, kissed my girl by the factory wall. Dirty old town, dirty old town, dirty old town, dirty old town. Thanks. Happy St. Patrick's Day. That one was for everyone who started on the Guinness already. Gerald's here. We can carry on with the set. And this is another Welsh one. For you English speakers out there, it's about a young lad grows up on the farm, gets picked on at school, but finds out he's really good at American football, and then he goes to play in the NFL. But unfortunately, the pressures of professional sports take its toll, and he resorts to performance-enhancing drugs that then take their toll on his brain and he goes out and kills his family and then himself.
So there's no need to sing the song now, is there?
Not really.
Turns out we aren't suitable for the daytime. Our macabre tales of
Threatmantics uncut. He wakes up when it's all a dream. It's fine. Billy bach yn byw ar y fferm, llygau disglair, gwallt heb drefn. Gwyneb coch, gwen o boch I boch, gwaed dan draed yr hael uwch ben.
Shotgun Billy. Shotgun Billy.
Di raid I Billy mynd i'r ysgol, dillad llaw gan gwyn dan gysgol. Dysgu'n chwym bod pawb yn dilyn, ar ôl i'r un gyntaf ymosod.
Shotgun Billy. Shotgun Billy.
Ond roedd Billy yn gallu taflu sy'n fyr tîm yn methu colli. Ben y byd yn dangos I nhw gyd, yn campwyr coleg yn dechrau teulu. Hero, the Hall of Fame, God on Sunday by any other name. He's still a man, he's doing all he can. Dreams of millions running through his veins.
Shotgun Billy. Shotgun Billy.
Shotgun Billy, Winnie a saethu. Shotgun Billy. Shotgun Billy, hoeri tra'n gweud. Shotgun Billy, llofruddiad ei gwneud. Shotgun Billy. Shotgun Billy, o'r gwn yn ei gig a gwasgu. Cheers, still.
Something that doesn't scare children. If there's any children worried, this song's about a little bird.
A little bird that never dies. Never dies. Really bad at saying who we are. We're Threatmantics. We're a bit shy of a bass player today, and we're normally a bit louder. But if anyone wants to a CD that's got most of these on, you can come and see us afterwards. We'll be around for a little bit because I want to doss around as much as I can before I have to go to work. What do I see? Tiny white-eyed tailor, misery. Little bird, where have you been? The saddest thing that I've ever seen. Something I didn't say. It's not my fault if I wasn't kind. This time of year I've got a lot on my mind. Under the shade, but after all plans I made just yesterday, I know she's in love with me. I know, 'cause I do. She's so in love with me. I know, 'cause I do. To New York, I just couldn't walk the walk. It's too sweet talk. I got a girl waiting for me underneath the apple tree, so patiently. I know she's in love with me. I met a girl sweet as can be, made her out of plasticine and jealousy. She fell apart under the sun, right between finger and thumb, dried up and done. I know she's in love with me. I know, 'cause I do. She's so in love with me. I know, 'cause I do. Cheers, diolch. Thanks very much. This is our last song. We've been Threatmantics. We've got some CDs for sale. Also got a mailing list, but I'll have to run and grab that, bring it back out, and then find a pen, and you can write stuff on it. Lygad yn edrych i ddau gyfeiriad ac rai. Da ni rando i sofyn ar smeiliad ymai. Lot rhy hyll i alw'n garad ac o'i cael ei geni yn camgymeriad. But I don't know what you said and I don't care. No, I don't know what you said and I don't care. 'Cause I'm in love and she's the one for me. Yes, I'm in love and she's the one for me. No, I don't know what you said and I don't care. Wel mae dillad y gwall wedi ddrywio ac mae becyn ar y stryd yn dweud wedi sgriwio. Pawb ar y stryd, pawb yn y pentref, pawb yn y dinas, pawb yn Gorllewin Morgannwg, pawb yng Nghymru, pawb yn y Deunas Breunig, pawb yn y Byrpiaidd, pawb yn y byd. Oh, but I don't know what you said, and I don't care.